Welcome to the Hyman Bros service introduction video, and congratulations on your vehicle purchase. Our service center is located 2 blocks west of the Chesterfield Town Center at 11841 Midlothian Turnpike. You can set up an appointment online at hymanbrosnissan.com or give us a call at 804-378-3000. When you arrive at the dealership, please pull in to the right side service bay door. Upon your arrival at our service center, you will be greeted by one of our friendly advisors who will check you in for your appointment. Your service advisor will perform a brief walk-around of your vehicle and apply protective coverings to the inside. Once the check-in process is finished, you will meet with your advisor to review your service request and go over Nissan's multi-point vehicle inspection. You will then be guided to our customer areas where you can enjoy complimentary amenities including single-service Keurig coffee, bottled water, and healthy snacks in either our TV lounge or quiet reading lounge. Both lounges have access to free wireless internet. Across the hallway from our customer lounge areas, you will have access to our iCar Platinum certified Hyman Bros Collision Center. We are fully Nissan certified and work with all major insurance companies. Our parts counter is easily accessible to the customer lounge areas. We offer Nissan genuine parts and accessories. Need to get to work? For your convenience, we offer a courtesy van service that departs at 8:15 a.m. every weekday morning. We also offer Nissan rental vehicles at competitive prices based on availability. Whether you decide to wait with us or not while your vehicle is in our care, each of our Nissan certified technicians and master technicians will work quickly to complete your service using Nissan genuine OEM parts and equipment. Having access to the latest technology and state-of-the-art tools helps to ensure your repairs are completed right the first time. Once your vehicle's service and documentation are complete, your service advisor will review the completed repairs as well as the results of your Nissan's multi-point vehicle inspection. Then you will be on your way with confidence that you have received another truly exceptional service experience from Hyman Bros Nissan. Thank you again for your business.